What's going on, YouTube? It's Tate Thurman 96, and I'm back with y'all guys some more footage. I gave the 75 Caprice of some new lenses and new glasses, and it ain't even had no prescription, y'all. But man, to get a car more of a better look and a better vision with the upgrade that I did, I installed some RMS LED headlights, and I also installed some Dakota digital tail lights in the car to give it more just a better look, and man, and make the car look more modern, up to date on technology than it was in 1975. Because man, the headlights back then wasn't really that bright, even though bright, but literally I can cut these on low beam, man, and the person in front of me would literally want to move out my way. So y'all guys check this out, stay tuned. New LED HID headlights, and I ordered the lights from RMS Lighting. He sell a complete kit to replace the original headlights with new updated headlights that will be brighter and better than the original lights, and they will be like blue and bright, where you can be able to see them. This from RMS Lighting, so stay tuned. It's supposed to be a direct plug and play into the original lights. That's the RMS light to the right, you guys. The sun is out here. I'm gonna get y'all a better picture at night. Here's the old regular low beam that was originally from the factory. It's a big difference. It definitely look brighter.
No, they're definitely brighter.
As y'all can see, I got the low beams on. Can't beat those part lights on the old car neither, man. But man, it looks good. I'm gonna give y'all some more footage so y'all can see it at night. I took it for a ride today. Tried to clean it up. Did an okay job on it. You can see them all the way up there in my garage. And I installed the Dakota digital tail light bulbs in the back. Now, to me, they look a little brighter than the regular ones, than the regular tail lights. But to everybody else, they be like, man, it's bright. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I guess I can't see right, but here's the back tail light that I installed, and I bought it from a kit from Dakota Digital. I'm gonna put the links in my description of the video, just in case you guys want to get y'all some. But I got Dakota Digital tail lights on the car, and I installed RMS headlights on the car. They LED and they are bright. Let me know in the comments, do y'all like the upgrade? Would y'all do it to y'all old cars, or y'all wouldn't do it? Was it worth the money, or I should have stuck to being original? I just wanted the car with more of a updated look and be able to look good with the new cars on the road and not be blind to have those old dim headlights. And so I went with the updated tail lights and headlights. Okay guys, this the lights on bright, and man, it's still daytime, but it's blinding me now with them both on, man. So man, look how good it looks. And I didn't have to move none of my factory stuff to hook this up. I mean, it really was basically a plug and play, and they got the fans and everything still on it. These just like the OG original lights that the car came with from the factory. All I did was plug the bulb and the plug up. And man, I can do it. I know y'all guys can do it because I'm not mechanically inclined at all. But it was a really easy process to do. And man, it was worth the upgrade. The lights ran me like 200 bucks for the front. For the back, I want to say they was like $269. And man, I'm just really loving that updated look. It gives my car way better look at day and at night. I like riding with them on in the daytime. So yeah, man, I love it, man. If you got an old antique car, I would recommend you putting the LED RMS lights on the car to give your car an updated view and an updated vision, so you can be able to see on the road at night. 'Cause man, sometimes you could drive old cars on the road at night, man, and literally these new cars be behind you and they blind you and you can't even see what's in front of you because of your old headlights. So it was definitely worth the $200 that I spent for these lights, and I love them, y'all. They even got a fan on them to keep them cool. At night you get a brighter view, and man, they are look good. They look good at night. They're very bright. side beam, oh my gosh. All right, YouTube, here they go on bright, and man, the lights are very bright. They shine brighter than a brand new car. Show y'all how bright they is. Let me show you. Turn like in my driveway. Y'all finna see it shining all the way through my driveway, guys. It's very bright. They are very nice. I recommend RMS lighting. You need lights for any antique car. I look back here, y'all. It's literally shining all the way over there to my neighbor's house.